Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another exciting episode for you. We're going to be talking about Viggle, the AI video generator that lets you put any character into any video sequence. So let's get started. So first you want to do is you want to go to Viggle AI and you want to join the beta. It's only on Discord, and so you got to join the beta and it will take you to the Discord page where you can join on there. On there, it'll take you to here. You'll have a couple of questions to answer when you first get signed in, but it's pretty straightforward stuff. And it does have a how-to on here, step-by-step as well. So I'll just give you a quick show you how to do it real quick. So you just pick any of these animate channels over here to the left. It doesn't matter which one. Okay, and then so what you want to do is you want to go down here and you want to / like you would on Midjourney or anything, and it's going to pop up you know, right here, there's this little prompt section here. So this is if you want to animate, this is if you want to mix, where you can choose your own background, and this uses one of their own backgrounds that they already have. And this right here does, you can just take a static character and you can say make it run or walk or jump or whatever. Okay, so let's click on here, and what we'll do is we'll grab, I've downloaded a couple video or characters here, so let's just grab this old school Batman here. Okay, so I don't have a prompt right now, so I'll use one of their prompts. And how do you find them? You just go to back to their page here and click on this one, and you've got a variety of prompts here. I'm not going to play some of these because they have sound on them and I don't want to get copyright struck, but I will find a couple that you can play. This seems to be the most popular one right now when it went viral. So what you can do, you click on it, you can watch it, any of these, and they have a bunch of like dancing ones and stuff like that. It only got 10 pages, but it is quite a bit of stuff. So you click on that, or you can just click right here, and you can just copy the prompt, and then go back down to your Discord area, and then you want to click on motion prompt, and you can paste it right there. So this will be Little Yachty stage entrance, and on the background, if you're doing like a video like this, you'll want the to use their template, okay? And then on the fine tune, if you want it to be fine tuned, you want it, and you probably do, you want it on. If you don't put it on or off, it will it'll flag it. So then you just hit enter, and then it just disappears into the void. Now, unlike Midjourney or something, it does not just give you a new message. It just regenerates the message that you've got. And you can see here, like here's where I'm at. If you want to hover over it, well, I just disappeared. Yeah. Here's where I'm at. You can hover over it and stay here if you want. It says, you know, I'm in the queue. It might take 2 to 5 minutes to do it. And it seems to take a few minutes to do it for sure. Or if you get lost, like I have several times, you can always search for your name up here. And let's see here. Yeah, and then you can just click on that, and it'll show here's some of your stuff, you know, so the Otis stuff, and while we're waiting on the new one to upload, I'll show you some of the videos that I did do. So the first one I did the Little Yachty stage entrance, and I wanted to use Dark Helmet from Spaceballs. So let's take a quick look at that. And you can see right here, they kind of messed his face up a lot. didn't do his helmet. They kind of have the suit though. That's, you know, he wears that tie or whatever. And the helmet is kind of resemblance, but it's not perfect. But it was also, I think, probably a little far-fetched for me to use that character. Okay, so you get the gist of that. Okay, so that was the first one I done there. Let's see if this no, and it's not even showing it yet. Hold on. Here we go. So, okay. So here's the one I just did with the Batman. So it took maybe a minute or two. And we can click on that. This cape's not all the way down. You know, it kind of looks like it has old school hammer pants on instead of a cape. But it's still pretty cool. It's really cool. Okay, so that's great. It's really fun. I did not mean to do that. What's really fun is that you can, like I said, you could pick any character. You could put yourself in there. You could take a picture of yourself and put in there if you want. And I downloaded some characters from Midjourney, and I was playing around with them. One of the scenes I done that on the prompt here, one of the scenes that they have is the Joker when he walks away from the building exploding. And I should be able to play that one because I don't think there's anything copyright in that one. If I can find it here. Here we go. Yeah, so here's their version of it. And that's where the Joker's walking away from it. And here's one I done with a cute little robot. So it looks pretty good. I mean, it's not perfect, but this is as bad as it's going to get right now. So I can't wait to see how this improves. There it looks a little really weird. And its eyes are coming through the back of its head, so. I think overall it got all the movements down really well. I mean, that scene's pretty popular. I'm sure you've seen it. But, it does pretty daggone good job of that. I tried it again with a different, more, sinister looking robot. And this one actually, I think, probably looks better. But it looks like it's wearing a suit, but also I just generated this image, so who knows. So yeah, definitely. I think that's a lot of fun. Okay, they have one here. I took like Joe Biden doing the Tom Cruise risky business scene. I will see if I can play it without sound. Yeah, I'll play without sound. That way, I won't get copyrighted. But it doesn't. I guess because it wasn't close up on his face, it doesn't really look like Joe Biden. But that's okay. But overall, looks pretty good. These are all pre-made scenes. I think this has a lot of potential in the future when it gets better at doing what it's doing. Now, let me show you real quick. I've got a couple ideas I want to discuss about it, but I want to show you real quick how to incorporate your own video. So, like when you're looking down through some of these pictures here, you see people add their own video to it, and and everything you do is public. You cannot take this to your own Discord channel. It won't do a video for you there. Not yet, anyway. Okay, so if you wanted to add your own video, what you would do is you would, / and then you would click the mix. And then it gives you two options to upload something. So let's do, I've got this little video leap of Santa Claus dancing. And let's take it and make the cute little robot dance. Okay, so now on here, you'll have to, when you click on your background, it gives you white or green. So what this is going to do, this is just going to take, like, if you wanted the character to move like this character did in Risky Business, you could put it on green screen. He would do all the same movements, but then you could take it into your video editor and you could remove the green screen and put whatever background you wanted to on it. So here, that's why they give you the options of white if you just want it to be, this character dancing on a white background, or green if you want it to be, if you want to use it in an editing situation. here, like I said, hope I didn't pick. So let's do it as a green screen, and then here you'll see the options are just off or on. So, and then double click, and as you can see, I don't know where I'm at now. That's why having it over here is pretty helpful, although it does take a second to, it looks like it popped up right away. It does take a second normally for it to pop up here. If you do mess up when you're just trying this out, it has a tutorial bot, which is really handy, and it pops up and it teaches you how to, this is just kind of randomly through here, and it gives a little how-to video right here. And I think I got the sound turned down, but and
select the animate command.
And that's real handy if you get stuck on it. It's not complicated, but it's different than what you're used to using. And let's see if somebody messes up, what happens. You can only generate one video at a time. Right now, all of it's free though. You can download your video if you want to. Right here, you can download it. Don't know what size it is when it downloads. Can't imagine it's yeah, it's MP4. It's probably 720p. Would be my guess. Let's see here, what else? Okay, so if you wanted to take this and you wanted to have like two people in the same scene, like you can't do that here, but what if you could do, if you have editing skills at all, you can take the scene, record the scene into your and drop it into your video editing system. And you can mask out one character and then upload that character, and then mask out the other side and upload that side too. And then you can put in, your character doing what you wanted that character to do. So if it was like a scene of, like a guy and a girl dancing side by side or whatever, then you could mask the guy out and upload the character you want to do that dance and put them in that place, and then green screen it, and then then you'll have that, and you'll have the other green screen, and then you can take that and put it together as one video, and then them dancing. So basically you can recreate a video if you wanted to. Which is pretty neat. I don't know what this is weird. Okay. So it's kind of fun to kind of watch and see what people are doing in their own little world over here. That's kind of fun. And you can see some people do this guy's doing a John Cena dance, looks like. Music's gonna get me. Anyway, also if you, I'm waiting for this to pop up, but if you mess up, I wanted to see like if it would show you like what it looks like when you mess up something. It won't generate anything. It'll just say, hey, you need to make sure you hit animate or whatever. When I first got here, I was /. This wasn't popping up right away. I don't know why, but it is now, and which is good. Like I said, easy to use. So this person uploaded a video of, it's like 3 or 4 people in this video. So here's the original, what he uploaded. Okay, so it's not going to do. Okay, it's not going to do all 3 people, but it's going to show. So you see he's just doing it, the dance there, and there's his source picture right there. So, that's pretty cool. If you can tell, this is taking a while to upload that one. We'll see if there's any others here that I did that I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so this one did not turn out like I thought it would. I thought this would be better. Here's the source video. I thought that'd be kind of funny. But it didn't quite work. You see, I'll try Batman here. A lot of glitching. A lot of weirdness going on. I did the same thing with Joe, and it's still the same. So, you know, it's not perfect. What's I do here? Yeah, this scene here. His eyes are creepy, but it got the movements down really good. I mean, I think once they figure out how to clarify the character and make it, I mean, it's already looking not bad, but once they figure out how to get it as crystal clear as this, man, it's gonna be a game changer in a lot of ways. So, yeah, I don't know. This one's just taking forever. This is okay. So this guy uploaded like a cartoon version of himself, and you see it worked. It works good. I mean, that actually looks pretty solid because it's a cartoon, so you can get away with more. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so here is the alien dancing like Santa. Here's Santa dancing. Okay, and here is the alien dancing. So, you know, some glitches here and there. Overall, looks pretty solid though. It's definitely something you could use for memes and stuff like that right now, which is basically what everybody's using it for. So, but there you go. That's pretty much it right now. I just thought it was something fun and something fun to play with. Thought I'd do a quick tutorial on it. And if you guys have any questions on it, or you know, comments about it, do you like it, do you hate it, let me know in the links below. I've got some exciting videos coming up. I can't wait to get them done, and I'm hoping to be posting more frequently. So but thanks for watching.